The new architecture that's emerged in the enterprise, I call it the 4-layer cake. And it could be edible for some, but this layer cake starts with a data lake. This is where the enterprise stores its data, and there has been an acceleration in the last couple of years for enterprises to bring all their data in one place. We've seen results from Databricks, Snowflake. Those companies are playing in that zone. The layer right above is the knowledge lake, where this is the first layer where GenAI gets to be applied, but now on the data. So GenAI, using concepts like retrieval augmented generation, is starting to make data more searchable, all right? So that's the knowledge lake. It becomes the knowledge of the entire enterprise, which then starts to fine-tune LLMs or other forms of AI models. And after a few months of early experimentation, just like we heard from Mark, each one of Uniphore's customers, whether it's a telecom company, a bank, an insurer, they first thought they all will have like one big LLM fine-tuned for the company. Almost the whole world's enterprises are beginning to realize it's going to be a bunch of small models and not large. So the layer right above the knowledge lake becomes a model lake, because you're going to have tens or hundreds of these small models, each one functionally trained for marketing needs, HR needs, billing needs, customer record needs. So the model lake is the layer where these gets orchestrated. And finally, the layer on top, which is where the rubber hits the road, which is where the ROI is, which is where the users interact with AI, is the AI agents, which is the new way of saying AI apps, or what used to be SaaS in the past. So this 4-layered cake has emerged as this architecture, putting the power back in a centralized authority, CIO in most cases. And that's a huge shift in the way enterprises are consuming AI in the last couple of years.